60F perfect blue binding machine. In this machine, here we have the on off switch. Now we on the machine. These regulators are given for the time of clamping. You can see the time here, how much seconds we have to clamp. We have selected the max, which is up to 10. In the side there is tension of clamping, the force which we want 100, then we have set up to 100. The force of clamping, how much we want, we can set over from here. And here is the display. For setting temperature, we have to press setup temperature. And here is the higher lower button is given for increasing, decreasing. Now we set up to 165 and just leave it. It will be saved automatically. And here the counter is given. And this is for the milling cutter on off switch, the automatic manual mode, and here is given the start button, and this regulator is given for roundness and flatness for binding, and here also we have the start button for running. Now in this machine we have two modes, automatic and manual. For changing we have to press just this button. Then the machine will convert in auto mode. Now we do binding in manual mode. Then we have to select the manual mode. Now here is the gauge is given for inserting pages. This one is the glue tank, and here is the milling cutter. And these two are the brushes given for the dust which will not go inside the machine. Now we take the bunch of papers, and this button is given for the opener and closer. Now we insert the pages. Make the bunch properly and insert. Now we have inserted the pages over from here, and we have to press the start button. It will first, and then we have to set the cover page. For setting cover page, there is the clamping area is given. Here is the center is given for cover page. Now, after this, we have to press the start button. Now here we have the book is ready. After writing, we have to place the book for some time. Now you can see the book is ready. Like this we can bind